Hey, my name is Bryce with Central Florida Dent Repair. Today I want to show you how we repaired this damage without doing any kind of replacement of parts, painting, or body work. We did this at the customer's home in their driveway in a matter of hours. You can see we've got the bulk of the metal just pretty much out and the door realigned just through the use of different pullers and glue pulling systems. We're able to do this, and a lot of the metal just gets moved out. Like what you're seeing right there. Now we're doing some knockdown work where we bring the metal out. Now we have to knock everything back down to its original shape. And now we've got a tool inserted down the glass opening, and we've got a special guard in place to protect the glass. And we're actually twisting off the inner structure using what's called a whale tail. And you could see the light just moving right there in the center of the screen, and that's exactly where we are. We're actually slowly manipulating that metal back to its original position, and this is what that tool looks like. It's called a whale tail. And now you can see we're actually hammering the outer door skin here just to kind of basically cause vibrations to send that metal back to its original position. And that's a steel tip that you're seeing there, and it's highly polished so it doesn't damage the finish. And you can see how far we've come. This is quite an improvement. You can see the paint's a little damaged from the initial impact, that little tiny little chip there, but the customer's willing to live with that chip. And here's our final outcome. And I get a lot of questions about what the repair cost on something like this would be, and it's actually comparable to what a traditional paint and body shop would charge. Only because of the size and factors involved. We actually use a special software to calculate what this repair would cost, and the customer chose to do this out of pocket rather than filing an insurance claim. They just wanted to avoid all possible history reporting on the vehicle, and they were actually willing to live with that little tiny chip in there versus have this huge production where they have to bring the vehicle down to a body shop, and worked out great for them. If you have any further questions about Paintless Dent Repair or would just like some more info in general, visit cfldentrepair.com or call me at 386-216-5185. I really appreciate you taking the time to become educated about the very valuable paintless dent repair method, and thanks again for watching.